Now, First Warn 5 weather with Chief Meteorologist Tim Smith.
Hey folks, not very often on Veterans Day that we're talking about a very active tropical weather situation, but take a look at this. We've got Eta in the eastern Gulf of Mexico, Theta in the eastern Atlantic moving away, and this system down here likely to become Iota over the next day or two, moving west. So we've got two named storms right now, might have a third all at the same time. It's possible to have one. It happens in November. Two, very unusual. Three, well, next half hour we're going to talk about how unusual that is. But let's get back to valley weather and see what's going on right now. And take a look at temperatures across the valley at this hour. And we're all in the upper 70s and low 80s right now. That, you know, a little uncommon as well. We're above average. Certainly the normal highs are in the low 80s, and we've been topping out the upper 80s. And if we look at our dew points, they're not bad in the west, in the 60s, but in the east, back up to 70 or so. We'll put a number on the muggy meter at about 67. But we talked yesterday about how place you can see a change coming is when you look at the extended muggy meter. So we're going out 6 days, and look how we keep it up here in the muggy range, the humid to very humid range, until late Sunday. Then look at the dew point drop onto Monday. There's your cool front coming in. Lowers the humidity, lowers the moisture content of the atmosphere. It gets a lot more comfortable, and temperatures come down a little bit as well. That's Sunday into Monday. That's when you'll see that change. Tomorrow, though, it's still back like this, upper 80s in most areas, 78 at the beach tomorrow. Winds out of the east about 5 to 8 miles an hour. Normal high, 81. We're going 87, 89, 91, which will tie a record if we get there. We're in the record neighborhood, but not setting or breaking any just yet. Cloud cover, we've seen some today, and we'll see patchy fog again tonight, especially in the ranch country. But we've seen fog across a lot of the valley each morning, probably seeing it again tomorrow morning, again late tomorrow night into early Friday morning. And I think this is really fog. It's not rain. Don't think we see much in terms of rain. So your forecast is dry, 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 dry through at least Saturday. Our rain chance shows up on Monday with that next front. Around South Texas, 70s to the north, 70s and 60s, so it looks like it's relatively mild across the state. This front moves away. We're waiting for another front to get here, again, late Sunday into Monday. Here is Eta, sitting just off the coast of Tampa, St. Pete right now. Strongest winds have been down around Sarasota as the system moves northward. Right now it's about 45 miles west of St. Petersburg. Tampa Bay right here, water going right up in there, so a storm surge being felt right now. The system is going to turn off to the northeast and then move out into the Atlantic over the next few days and stay in the Atlantic. That's one of the two named storms out there. Eta we'll talk about more in the next half hour. So tonight, 67 for low, partly to mostly cloudy. Watch out for fog. And then tomorrow, back up to 87, some sunshine. Northeast winds about 5 to 8. Here's your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast for the next 7 days. Look at that, 91, 92 for the weekend. But Sunday night into Monday, that's our shot at a front. Cooler on Monday, 80, 79 on Tuesday, and by Wednesday back to 83 again. But humidity drops, and you can tell that by the low temperatures dropping off there. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. We'll be back right after the break.